Today I will explain the difference between JDK, JRE and JVM using a simple and relatable example. Baking a cake. This analogy helps us understand how each part of Java works in the development and execution process. Think of building and running a Java program like baking a cake. JVM is the recipe. It tells us how to make the cake, that is how to run the program. JRE is the oven. It gives the environment to bake the cake just like a runs the program. JDK is the full kitchen. It has everything you need to prepare the cake from scratch like writing and compiling Java code. Now let's look at each part technically. JVM runs the .class files. It's like a engine behind Java's write once, run anywhere concept. JRE gives us the runtime environment so we can execute programs. It contains the JVM and core libraries. JDK is for developers. It has the compiler and tools plus everything in the JRE. We use it to write and build Java applications. Let's take practical example. Suppose I have a file called India.java with this code. When I compile it using JavaC, the JDK converts it into a .class file. Then I run it using the Java command which uses the JRE and JVM. So JDK is for building the code, JRE and JVM for running it. Here a table you can memorize for interviews. JVM only runs bytecode. JRE, JVM plus libraries to run Java apps. JDK, JRE plus tools to write and compile Java code. This shows a clear hierarchy. JDK contains JRE and JRE contains JVM. In interviews, I usually say JVM executes the code JRE is required to run it, and JDK is what we use to build it. Then I quickly explain the cake analogy, receive, oven, and tools, so the interviewer knows I understand both theory and practically. That's it. Mastering this core concept can make you stand out in interviews. If you understood the cake example, you already know how the Java platform works. Feel free to share, ask doubts, or request more Java topics. Thank you.